guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well today. Today I want to feature this beautiful Yale padlock sent to me by my buddy Chaz from Chaz's Lockpicking, and of course made possible through Peter Lewis, the Irish lockpicker. So thanks to both those guys. We've got a dead core, key retaining, 8mm shackle, 45, and this thing weighs exactly a pound, and it's made in England. Not a very nice keyway, so yeah, let's see what we can do, if anything, to get into this. Try top of the keyway. I'd like to keep it in hand, but we'll see how that goes. If not, hands are a little bit sore, so we'll see how that goes. So let's give it a shot. This thing comes in at exactly a pound. Let's see. We've got Irish lockpicker and Suki fighting for airtime. I think they should both be happy with a limited space here that they're on air. So let's see what we got. We've got a 6-pinner. Okay, that was 6. 5. 'See if I can get to these pins. I'll let off just a little bit on this tension. Feels like counter, but I'm not quite sure. Trying to pick off the right ledge here. Feels like counter, but not sure if I had a little bit of movement there on the core. Let's check pin 1. Okay, I did have a little bit of movement there, so we've got at least a spool in here. I'll go right to the back. Seem to be locked up now. Let's try pin 1. And there we go. I was able to get it. So I'm gonna gut it, guys. Let's see what we got inside here. Thought we have at least a spool in here, if not more. Wow, I cannot even see down there. Okay, we've got a Phillips screw down the shackle hole here. Okay, and why do these manufacturers got to make our life a living hell? You've got two heavily secure here, which leads me to believe that well, we've got a roll pin here. Of course we've got a roll pin. Okay, let's see how this works out. I'm just going to put that there to leave a little bit of height. Find my roll pin punches. It's what it looks like, that if I pull that pin out, we may have another screw down the other side. And you guys can see that roll pin starting to come out, so I'm just carefully gonna that's quite a bit of a roll pin there. Okay. Alright, there goes our shackle. And hopefully yeah, we've got another screw here. Okay. Fairly secure. Yeah, there's our other screw. And still no movement. I would assume that these are drain holes. Okay, let me just that was not a good decision on my part. I should not do that, because I might end up stripping the okay. No. Okay. We've got two screws. Nothing, no movement whatsoever. I wonder if but why? Why would they have I'm assuming these are drain holes. Just gonna pause the video for a second, guys. Hey guys, looks like my initial tactic was the one. There you go. It's pretty tight in there, but wow, what a plate on that, eh? Okay, fairly secure. I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. Okay. Let me just be careful here. So that goes in like that. Well, you guys are still with me because I'm still trying to figure this out. Okay. Plenty of grease on this thing. Whose idea was to gut this? Okay, so we've got the core out. Ton of grease. My desk is a mess. And let's see what we got here. Man, everything about this lock is strange. Cannot get in there to remove this clip. That's one of the strangest clips I've seen. Hopefully I'll be able to fix it. Alright, 45 minutes later. Let's see where we're at. See if I can gut this for you. Alright, let's run that through the garden, hopefully. There we go. So we've got 6 pins, guys. Everything had to be picked, as you can see. Standard in 1. Standard in 2. Standard in 3. Standard in 4. Standard in 5. And standard in 6. This lock will never be gutted again, I'll tell you that right now. Let's just hope to God I can get it back together. Alright, nothing special there, but this is that's what I call a core. It's got some weight behind it, as well as that bottom plate. Yeah, we've got I guess these I have never seen. That's a torpedo. Standard in 2. A totally different torpedo coming out of 3, much smaller design. And it's got a, I think that's a torpedo. I don't know how long it took to pick, but I can tell you it's a while to gut. Okay, again, we've got a very tiny version of that torpedo in 5. Let's see if we've got a standard in 6. Yes, we do. Let's get these springs out. So 3 torpedoes and 3 standard, guys. Beautiful, beautiful lock. Nasty to gut. But we got it done. I'll have close-up pictures for you. Of course, I'm going to show you the key. So there you go. You can see those torpedo pins there. I will leave photos. Take a look at that plate. Very nice. And just take a look at the thickness on the walls on that. So all around, let's see, the 6-pinner. Not very unique bitting. You've got the first 2 pins are 0 cut. Needed to go right up into the chamber. But yet everything had to be picked. Very strange key, guys. But anyways, that's it for you today. We got it picked. Beautiful Yale 6-pinner. Finally got it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. We'll see you at the next one. Appreciate your support. Stay well.